Bonjour, Kinamaginene, Ireland Indigenicus, and welcome to a reading of our Chapter 11, My Math Assessment. This video is intended to provide direction for students both taking the paper or digital copies. Once we have an opportunity to go over the directions, I will engage in reading the assessment. You can choose to view the whole thing or just view the directions. Looking at the directions, when you get to the what is your name, make sure that you actually use your name. Don't just put something silly down. I want to know who I'm giving credit to. You have a simple question here. And then a lot of this is which value completes each sentence. So you're going to figure out which things would fill in the blank as far as these conversions. And if you see things like yards and feet, you can assume in this example, 42 would go here and 1 would go there, if that's the right answer. When you get down to the bottom, there's a line plot to find the fair share. So you're going to need to figure out the fair share, and that's the key detail. They've already plotted it for you. At the completion, if you're doing the digital copy, you'll hit submit. If you're doing the paper copy, you'll turn it into the bin in our classroom. This assessment is due by the end of the day on Friday. So if you just were here for the directions, you're free to go. If you're going to stay for the reading of the assessment, how this works is I will read a question every 10 seconds. If you need more time, and sometimes you will, you're going to need to pause the video between each question. I'll remind you a couple times initially. And then at the very end, after the last question, you can either come back to hear me tell you to submit it, or you can just submit it and be done. So let's begin with what is your name? All right, question 1. What is the most reasonable unit for measuring the height of a flagpole? Is it inch, foot, gallon, or mile? Next question. And now we're in the section with which value completes each sentence. 125 feet equals how many yards in feet? Is it 42 yards, 1 foot, 41 yards, 2 feet, 41 yards, 1 foot, or 40 yards, 2 feet? Don't forget to pause the video while you do your calculations and unpause when you're ready to move on. Next question. 59 inches equals how many feet in inches? Is it 4 feet, 4 feet 9 inches, 4 feet 11 inches, or 5 feet? Don't forget to pause video while you do your math and unpause when you're ready. Next question. 67 ounces equals how many pounds in ounces? Is it 3 pounds and 13 ounces, 3 pounds and 3 ounces, 4 pounds and 13 ounces, or 4 pounds and 3 ounces? Next question. 46 fluid ounces equals how many cups and how many fluid ounces? Is it 6 cups and 6 fluid ounces, 6 cups and 4 fluid ounces, 5 cups and 6 fluid ounces, or 5 cups and 4 fluid ounces? Don't forget to pause the video while you work and unpause when you're ready. Next question. 1.5 tons equals how many pounds? Is it 3,500 pounds, 3,000 pounds, 2,750 pounds, or 2,500 pounds? Next question. 75 kilometers equals how many meters? Is it 75,000 meters, 7,500 meters, 750 meters, or 75 meters? Next question. 32,000 milliliters equals how many liters? Is it 0.032 liters, 0.32 liters, 3.2 liters, or 32 liters? Next question. 18 kilograms equals how many grams? 18,000 grams, 1,800 grams, 180 grams, or 8 grams? Next question. 2 pints equals how many quarts? 4 quarts, 1 quart, 2 quarts, or 10 quarts? Next question. 64 fluid ounces equals how many cups? 32 cups, 16 cups, 4 cups, or 8 cups? Don't forget to pause the video while you work. And now the final question. You're going to use the line plot pictured here to find the fair share. And you can see that we have 2 X's at a quarter gallon, 3 at a third gallon, and 1 at a half gallon. So what is the fair share in gallons? Is it 1/3 of a gallon, 3/2 of a gallon, 2/3 of a gallon, or 1/4 of a gallon? Don't forget to pause the video and unpause when you're ready. And if you want, you can submit it and be done. Welcome back. At this point, you have completed the test. Go ahead and hit submit, and you have finished the assessment. We'll see you next time with another exciting math lesson. Have a minute, Gijigad. Minwa, Bama P.